Hello, lovelies. Welcome to another weekly analysis with Rejoice Mona. So this is GBPUSD. And last week we were waiting for it to sweep this liquidity, this point here, but it didn't, and it went further down. Okay. Now that is not an issue. Going further down is still okay, but the truth is that making a sell without it taking out this liquidity is gonna be risky. Yeah, so I'm not sure this is going to break this. I'm not sure this is going to break this particular pivot here. I'm not sure this is going to break it. Okay, so because it could actually break it and then go back to sweep liquidity. We just have to follow what market does. But, for me to take a proper sell, I'm waiting for market to sweep this liquidity. If you can see, you even have like inducement levels here, which still shows that there's even enough liquidity here that market needs to sweep. So I'm still certain that market will come back to this point and before making further moves down. Okay, now this point I marked here, because last week there was a point I marked somewhere here. I think this one, but when price got there, price didn't respect that zone and it started going down. So we took a loss on that particular trade. Then now this particular POI that price has gotten to, price is actually reacting to it. Price is reacting to it. Let me take this out. Okay, price is currently reacting to it, and I really don't know what price will do next, except it goes to sweep this liquidity and then we can look for more positions to sell. So in the meantime, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, we just have to wait to see if price will sweep, if price will break these levels, this level, this level, as we progress, and then that would assure us that okay, price is now going up. Okay, and for now it has broken this level. It has broken this level, but it needs to give us like a proper inducement, okay, to confirm the break. So nothing yet for now, so we'll just monitor this. Then whatever it gives us, I would still send to the free analysis group for a small buy. We'll just be monitoring it gradually to see if it breaks. If it keeps breaking, then we know that okay, it's now trying to go up, probably to meet this liquidity. If not, you could just don't trade till it gets to this liquidity. But I don't know how many of you can do that. But for sales will be after this liquidity. Okay. For EURUSD is still same thing. It hasn't even swept that liquidity yet. And that point I told you I marked initially, that was like a missed entry. So market is currently on it now. So we don't know what it's trying to do, whether it's trying to react to that zone to become bullish or whatever it is doing. So we're just like pretty much waiting to see what market does. And that was why I was kind of like really waiting before I do this video, but I didn't want to wait anymore. Any more updates, I'll be sending it in the free analysis group. Okay, so let's see what it's doing here. Now this is the little 1:2 trade that I think price might do, because price is actually breaking some small pivots. So I'm just watching it to see if it does. Then if it continues, then this is likely to probably be going up to head up to that liquidity that it was supposed to take out before selling. So However, whatever happens, I will let you all know. Click the link to join my analysis group. I will still send updates there. Also, the TEPS course is still available. Yeah, you get to see exactly how I trade, the strategies I use, and my own personal Rejoice Muna strategy, which is like a combination with its rules. Everything is stated in the TEPS course with its rules and how you can, utilize it to, become profitable in your trading. It's a very, very good one and it's quite affordable. If you get this course and your trading does not change, you get the steps course and your trading does not change, come and get a refund. In fact, I'm updating it with, the courses that I learned earlier this year. I'm updating it with it and I'm showing you exactly what I do in my own trading. Exactly what I do. I'm currently updating it with the new strategy and my own personal RM strategy, Rejoice Muna strategy. I'm updating it currently in the TEPS course. So if you get this course, I'm assuring you that this is not like your regular courses out there. And if this course does not do what it ought to do, come and get a refund. Okay? So that's that about the TEPS course. So let's see what EURUSD and GBPUSD just does, and then we'll follow the market. We are following the footprints of the market. We are not just trading blindly. Markets will lead, you will follow. Okay? So that's that about analysis for this week. I would send more updates in the free analysis group. All right? Bye.